Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about mini drones. Now a lot of people don't really know what a mini drone is, but they're actually a lot of fun. In this video, we're going to show you the best mini drones on Amazon under $50. All the links of the mini drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started. And at number 5, the best mini drone is 4DV2RC Foldable Mini Drone. It comes with a low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to make sure that the drone is safe to fly. The drone is powered by 3 rechargeable and removable batteries. It can increase the time of flight by up to 30 minutes. It's a great gift idea to increase the enjoyment of your flight and boost satisfaction. V2 comes with a 720-pixel HD Wi-Fi camera that can take superior aerial images and videos. The camera also has the ability to transmit FPV. You can view the sky via an online video feed using an app on your smartphone. Drones for children will give you more enjoyment when you stay at home together with the child. The 4DRC Drone Mini Drone is specifically designed for kids and beginners. It comes with one button for landing and takeoff, an altitude hold as well as headless mode and 3 speed modes. The landing and takeoff functions are designed using the same button. Simply press one button to let it go or to land it effortlessly. Altitude hold can maintain the drone at a specific height and help drones for children to take photographs or videos more securely. It is ideal for children who are new to drones. 4DRC drone with a camera designed for youngsters can perform 360-degree flips and trajectory flights. It is possible to draw a path using your smartphone and the drone will follow the route. The drones for kids have 3 options for control: remote, app, and voice control. Gravity sense mode and trajectory flight, voice control, and more. The drone can be controlled using just a few words like takeoff, etc. You can experience more and save costs. This 4DRC drone miniature drone can fold up with arms that fold. The style of this drone is extremely small and simple to carry. Its size fits perfectly in a hand of a child. You can place the kid's drone along with the camera into your pockets and take it with you. The drone can be folded and then put inside the controller in a perfect way. And at number 4, the best mini drone is Sanrock H818 Mini Drone. This drone is equipped with Wi-Fi, the FPV transmission. Capture amazing moments and enjoy your flight with crisp images and a smooth transmission. Use the app for iOS and Android by connecting to Wi-Fi. You can view the high-resolution images live and share them with friends. The pilot will find it easier to control, particularly during the time when it's not in view. In headless mode, the drone's direction is relative to the pilot. The drones are also fitted with 3D flips that can make your day more enjoyable. When you're focused on shooting pictures, you could take your hands away from the joystick, and the drone suspended in midair with a locked altitude. It is a great drone for beginner youngsters, children, or those who are new to the sport. An easy and stable flying experience. By using the app, gestures control, trajectory flight, as well as gravity sensor control, it can be activated. The camera can be instructed to take pictures using scissors gestures or videos using a thumbs up. The RC Quadcopter is equipped with 4 protective propeller guards that ensure your safety during flight. The ABS material is of the highest quality to eliminate the fear of a sudden crash or fall. One battery can provide up to a 10 to 12 minute flight time and can provide an up to 24-minute flight time using 2 batteries. Let your kids and you completely enjoy flying. And at number 3, the best mini drone is Syma X20 Mini Drone. Syma X20 Mini Drone is the most recent drone, enhanced with multi-features. The 6-axis Euro quad rotorcraft flight has the ability to perform various flying movements and is easier to manage. More stable and better suited for beginners or children. Mini drones are ideal for indoor play. When the direction of the fuselage could not be identified, the aircraft will go into a headless mode in order to continue to fly. This helps beginners learn to master direction control in a matter of minutes. One button press will automatically take the aircraft off and landing. The remote control quadcopter will take off or return to where it started. It is a way to safeguard the drone in case it becomes not in control or is not able to charge its battery. Auto-hovering can be described as an alarming technology that helps the drone stay in place and remain in midair on its own even when you take off the controls. An essential 360-degree roll continuous roll to ensure incredible performance and perfect action. Its bright flashing light ensures that your aircraft is flying well at night. In at second place, the best mini drone is Potensic, a 20W mini drone. The drone that has a camera comes with a 2.4G Wi-Fi remote. When you connect it to your smartphone and you will be able to enjoy a streaming FPV in real time. It is important to capture photos. This mini drone is small and is easy to fly indoors and outdoors. Potensic A20W can be described as an RC drone that is suitable for children aged between 8 and 12 years old as well as beginner drones. One key takeoff or landing, a headless mode, and an altitude hold mode are essential characteristics of drones. When the phone is connected to gravity mode, an adjustable flying route, auto rotation and 3 speeds of flight can bring more joy to your life. Draw a flight path on the screen on your smartphone. The drone will fly following the route accordingly. Also, the drone will record the scenery along the way. You can control the drone using your smartphone app control, letting the drone move as per your smartphones. Moving direction is more exciting to fly the drone. A single key for landing or taking off that is easy to use with a simple user guide. If the drone is running on a low battery or is out of reach, an emergency stop button as well as an alarm sound will assist you to control the drone quickly. The headless mode and the altitude hold feature allow the drone to fly with ease. 3x batteries last until 21 minutes. A distinct difference from the mini drone that has an unrestricted propeller. The Potensic A20W features 4 propeller guards to provide 360-degree protection, which significantly extends the lifespan of the device. For beginners or children, the propeller wrapped in a wrap helps keep kids more secure. Kids will be thrilled by this simple and safe camera drone. It is a great way to spend time with their dogs, friends, and cats. It swung just above your dog and had a blast playing with him all across the backyard. It is possible to save the photo to keep the memory of the party. In at number 1, the best mini drone is H2 Mini Quadcopter Drone. The mini drones equipped with 1080-pixel HD cameras can take aerial photos or videos. With the included Wi-Fi module, you can view exactly what your camera sees on your smartphone by downloading the app. A headless drone, an altitude holding, and one key takeoff and landing button for easier operation. There is no need to be concerned about orientation, and with just a single press of the button, your drone will ascend to an altitude of land, which is ideal for newbies. With 2 batteries that are modular with 20 minutes each battery, you can get 40 minutes of enjoyment in all. The modular battery is simpler to swap for children and more secure to charge. The drone can be controlled by moving your smartphone up and down. Gravity sensor lets the drone follow the direction of your phone. Additionally, the trajectory flight feature lets the drone fly in line with the route you have drawn on your phone. The drone is small and can be taken anywhere. 4 protective frames protect you from damage. Press one button, H2 will do 360-degree flips as well as roll around in all directions, making the flight even more exciting. Fantastic gestures to control the function. Post V or create a PLAM drone that is capable of the ability to take photos or videos in 3 seconds. It will help you take more complex photos. 1080-pixel HD Wi-Fi camera record high-quality video, and transmit live videos to your smartphone. You can share the joy with your family and friends all in one go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.